So the chapter 15, we are talking about War and Peace, also known as Hawk and Dove Game, 鹰鸽赛局. So there are two countries. We call it country A and country B. If they both choose to invade, they both get 0 unit of satisfaction because yes, they are married. We don't like war, right? If country A or country B, one of them choose to yield, then the invaded country can get 7 units of satisfaction, and the yield country gain 2 units of satisfaction. And if they both choose to yield, they both get 6 units of satisfaction. So the two Nash's equilibrium is invade, yield, or yield invade. Because if they both choose to invade, then for country A, he can just choose to yield, then he gets 2 profits more than 0, right? And if they both yield, and country A can just choose to invade because 7 is greater than 6, right? So there is no simply Nash's equilibrium. Now there is meditator, and we divide the PA is the percentage of A invade. If suggest A invade and B yield is PA, and suggest B invade A yield is PB. Suggest both A and B yield is 1 minus PA minus PB. The meditator's goal and constraint. The final goal is make sure A and B will listen to him and follow his suggestions, and to maximize the probability of peace. The probability of peace is PA plus PB. So the PA and PV is given. A's problem is case 1. A is suggest to invade. A optimally choose to invade because if A is suggest to invade, then it is PA, and B will yield. So for A, it is obviously to choose to invade, right? For the case 2, if A is suggest to yield, then B is suggest to yield is the possibility is PB divided by 1 minus PA, and B is suggest to yield is 1 minus PB minus PA divided by 1 minus PB. So A's expectation pay off. So now what is A's choices? If A chose to invade, he will be his payoff is PB. His payoff is if B is suggested to invade, the probability is PB divided by 1 minus PA, and multiple 0 plus 1 minus PB minus PA divided by 1 minus PB, multiple 7. It is 7 minus 7 PA minus 7 PB divided by 1 minus PA. If A chose to yield, it is PB divided by 1 minus PA, multiple 2 plus 1 minus PB minus PA divided by 1 minus PA, multiple 6. It is 6 minus 6 PA minus 4 PB divided by 1 minus PA. So to make sure A follows meditator's suggestions, the meditator would like to let 6 minus 6 PA minus 4 PB is greater than 7 minus 7 PA minus 7 PB. So it is PA plus 3 PB should be greater than 1, then A will follow meditator's suggestions. Now the meditator's problem is if he wants A to follow his suggestions, the function is PA plus 3PB should be greater than 1, and so does PB. That is PB plus 3PA should greater than 1 also. So we can simply draw a chart, and now we can see the intersection. It is PA equals PB equals a quarter. So if PA equals PB equals a quarter, then both country will follow the meditator's suggestion. Then there will be peace and no invade. We can know by this example is meditator is helpful, right? Because he just change some possibilities, then they can then country A and country B can reach peace conclusion. So 100% peace is impossible because even though you take some actions, there are some countries would like to predict what if you suggest to yield, then if he chooses to invade, then the war is, then he gets 7 units of satisfaction, 7 units of satisfaction, which is a kind of lure, right? Incentive. So 100% peace is impossible. That is war and peace example. So thank you for listening. See you the next video. Bye bye.